How to log in with Google in ghibliart.ai. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in through Google. First of all, open your web browser that you use. In this video, I'm using Google Chrome. Now, you must enter this website called ghibliart.ai. So you'll be in this website. Now, here on the right top, you can see this sign in button. Tap on sign in. So here you can see the option called sign in with Google. Tap on sign in with Google. So a new tab will be opened. Now you must select the account with which you want to log in with. Here I have selected one account. Tap on continue. So it will take some time to load, and as you can see, I have been logged in automatically. So as you can see here on the right, my profile has popped up. So this is the easiest and best way to log in. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.